The story of the key in the old garden.
Part 1. A Strange Gift.
Lily was 12 years old. She lived in a small house next to a big old garden. The garden belonged to an old woman named Mrs. Gray. Mrs. Gray never spoke to anyone. Children were afraid of her. One rainy afternoon, Lily found a small box on her doorstep. The box was made of wood. On top of it, there was a note. For Lily, open when you are brave enough. Lily opened the box. Inside, there was an old rusty key and a map. The map showed the old garden. A red X marked a place near a broken fountain. Lily's heart beat fast. She wanted to go, but she was scared.
Part 2. The Forbidden Garden.
The next morning was sunny. Lily looked at the key. She looked at the map. "I am brave," she said. She climbed over the old stone wall and jumped into the garden. It was wild and beautiful. Tall grass, purple flowers, and big trees with long branches. In the middle stood a broken stone fountain. No water came out of it. Lily followed the map. The X was exactly at the fountain. She looked around. On one side of the fountain, there was a small metal door hidden under leaves. The door had a keyhole. Lily put the key inside. Click! The door opened.
Part 3. The Hidden Room.
Behind the door was a small, dark room. Lily took out her phone and turned on the light. Inside, she saw old paintings, dusty books, and a wooden chest. She opened the chest. Inside, there were many letters. The letters were yellow and old. On top of them lay a photograph. In the photograph, a young girl was smiling. She looked exactly like Lily. Lily read one of the letters. It said, "Dear Margaret, I miss you every day. Your daughter Lily is growing so fast. I hope one day she will find this key." Lily's hands were shaking. Margaret? Her grandmother's name was Margaret. But her grandmother died many years ago. And the letter was signed, "Your loving mother, Rose." Lily never knew her great-grandmother's name.
Part 4. The Secret Truth.
Suddenly, Lily heard a noise behind her. She turned around. An old woman stood in the doorway. It was Mrs. Gray. But Mrs. Gray was not angry. She was crying. "You found it," Mrs. Gray whispered. "You found my letters." Lily was confused. "Who are you?" she asked. The old woman sat down on a stone. "I am Rose. I am your great-grandmother. I hid this room many years ago. I wanted my daughter Margaret to find it, but she died young. Then I hoped her daughter, your mother, would find it, but she never came. Now you are here." Lily could not believe it. "But why did you never talk to us?" she asked. Mrs. Gray, Rose, looked down. "I was too sad. Losing Margaret broke my heart. I was afraid to love again."
Part 5. A New Beginning.
Lily sat next to her great-grandmother. She took the old woman's hand. "I am here now," Lily said softly. "You don't have to be alone." Rose smiled for the first time in many years. The two of them looked through all the old letters and photographs together. Lily learned about her family's past, happy stories and sad ones. That evening, Lily brought Rose to her house. Her mother was surprised but very happy. From that day on, Rose was not alone anymore. She came to dinner every Sunday. She told Lily wonderful stories about her grandmother Margaret. And Lily kept the old key in her pocket to remember that sometimes being brave opens more than just doors. It opens hearts.
The end.